Ever wondered which parrots could reign supreme in a feathered fist fight? In this video, we dive deep into the world of parrot pugilism, exploring the species known for their formidable defenses. While parrots are often seen as playful companions, they can also be fiercely territorial and surprisingly aggressive when threatened. We'll explore the world of parrot aggression, examining the factors that can trigger conflict and the unique fighting styles of some of the most formidable species. The mighty macaws, hyacinth macaws, these giants of the parrot world are not to be trifled with. With their massive beaks, capable of cracking open the hardest nuts, they are formidable opponents. Delving into their territorial behavior, exploring how they defend their nests and feeding grounds from rivals, often with impressive displays of aggression, including loud screeching, wing flapping, and even biting. Their main rivals are toko toucans, who prey on their eggs and nestlings. Scarlet macaws, these vibrant birds are known for their fiery tempers. Their social structure and competition for resources can lead to aggressive encounters, and how they use their powerful beaks and intimidating displays to establish dominance. Their primary rivals are often other scarlet macaws, as they compete for mates, nesting sites, and food. Amazonian assailants, yellow-naped Amazon. These intelligent birds are highly social and live in complex social groups. They establish and maintain their social hierarchies through a combination of displays, vocalizations, and occasional physical confrontations. Their main rivals are other yellow-naped Amazons within their own social groups, as they compete for social status and resources. Blue-fronted Amazon, known for their mischievous nature and playful aggression, these parrots can be quite formidable when provoked. Their playful biting and how it can escalate into more serious confrontations, emphasizing the importance of understanding and respecting their boundaries. Their primary rivals are typically other blue-fronted Amazons, particularly during the breeding season when competition for mates and nesting sites is high. Kia, the troublemakers, these mischievous New Zealand natives are renowned for their intelligence, adaptability, and playful aggression. Their unique social structure, their playful yet destructive tendencies, and how these can sometimes lead to unexpected confrontations with other animals, including humans. Their main rivals are often other Kias, as they compete for food and engage in playful, but sometimes rough, interactions within their social groups. There is a special video about Kias, make sure you watch it. Cockatoos, the unexpected fighters. While often seen as playful and affectionate companions, cockatoos can be surprisingly fierce when threatened. We'll discuss their powerful beaks, strong necks, and the importance of understanding their body language to avoid unwanted encounters. Different cockatoo species, such as the umbrella cockatoo and the sulfur-crested cockatoo, vary levels of aggression. Umbrella cockatoos, for example, can be quite territorial, and their main rivals are often other umbrella cockatoos competing for nesting sites and mates. This video is for entertainment and education purposes only. Parrot fights are rarely observed in the wild and should never be encouraged or condoned. Stay tuned for more fascinating animal facts and wildlife encounters. Share your thoughts and experiences with parrots. Have you ever witnessed a parrot displaying aggressive behavior? Don't forget to like and subscribe.